Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. A dye cotton bud flower is a fun and easy craft project. Gathering materials for the project, trim the cotton buds, cut the cotton ends of each bud leaving about half an inch of the stem. You will need 6 to 8 cotton buds for each flower depending on how full you want the petals to be. Arrange the cut cotton buds in a circular shape with the cotton tips outward petals. Glue the petals using glue. Attach each cotton bud tip around the center point where the stem meet. If you want a fuller flower, glue additional cotton buds in a second layer slightly overlapping the first. Prepare the stem. Cut a length of green wire or use a green pipe cleaner for the stem. Thanks for watching this video.